Ever feel like your finances are a tangled mess of receipts, bank statements, and crumpled invoices? You're not alone. For many small business owners, keeping track of income, expenses, and everything in between can feel like an overwhelming chore. That's where QuickBooks comes in. But what exactly is QuickBooks used for? Is it just another accounting program collecting dust in the software graveyard alongside abandoned attempts at learning a new language? Not quite. QuickBooks is a powerful tool designed to simplify your financial life, giving you back control and valuable insights into your business. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, understanding what QuickBooks can do can be a game changer. So, ditch the shoebox full of receipts and grab a cup of coffee. Let's dive into the world of QuickBooks and explore how it can transform your financial management. From chaos to clarity, organizing your finances. Imagine this. You have a clear picture of your business's financial health at your fingertips. You know exactly how much money is coming in, where it's going, and what you owe. This isn't just a dream. It's the reality when you leverage QuickBooks organization features. One of the core functionalities is managing your chart of accounts. Think of this as a filing cabinet for your business's financial transactions. QuickBooks allows you to categorize income and expenses, separating your sales revenue from office supplies, for example. This clear categorization makes generating reports and understanding your financial performance a breeze. Invoice like a pro, streamlining sales. In the hustle and bustle of running a business, it's easy to let invoicing fall by the wayside. But late payments can disrupt your cash flow and hinder growth. QuickBooks throws you a lifeline here. You can create professional invoices in minutes, complete with your company logo and branding, customize them with product or service details, and even set up automatic payment reminders to nudge clients, all within the software. No more chasing down payments or wasting time with clunky spreadsheets. Paying bills on autopilot, managing expenses. Keeping track of bills and due dates can be a constant headache. Here too, QuickBooks comes to the rescue. Enter bills directly into the software, categorize them according to expense type, and set up automatic payments to ensure you never miss a deadline and avoid those pesky late fees. QuickBooks can even help you manage supplier relationships. Track purchases from each vendor, identify your top suppliers, and negotiate better deals, all while streamlining your accounts payable process. Insights that empower making informed decisions. Financial data, when properly analyzed, is a goldmine of insights. QuickBooks empowers you to unlock this potential. Generate reports that provide a clear picture of your sales trends, profitability, and overall financial health. Identify areas where you can cut costs, track inventory levels to prevent stockouts, and use real-time data to make informed business decisions. No more flying blind. QuickBooks equips you with the knowledge to chart a course for success. Beyond the basics, scaling with your business. As your business grows, your financial needs become more complex. The beauty of QuickBooks is that it scales with you. There are different versions available, catering to the specific needs of small and medium-sized businesses. Want to collaborate with your accountant? No problem. QuickBooks offers features that allow for seamless data sharing, ensuring everyone involved has a clear picture of your finances. QuickBooks isn't just software. It's a partner in your financial journey. It simplifies tedious tasks, offers valuable insights, and empowers you to make informed decisions. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, QuickBooks can help you gain control of your finances and unlock the full potential of your business. So, is QuickBooks right for you? Consider the current state of your finances. Are you struggling with organization? Drowning in unpaid invoices? Yearning for clearer insights into your business performance? If you answered yes to any of these, then QuickBooks might be the solution you've been looking for. Remember, taking control of your finances is an empowering step towards achieving your business goals. With QuickBooks by your side, you'll be well on your way to financial clarity and success. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.